from his favorite meal. Since he's autistic, our family communicates us what he wants all the time, so this is our way of helping him. So today's episode is
Nacho Business.
Nacho Business.
Yes, here we go. And even though our title is Nacho Business, we're going to be giving you the business tonight. So, for the natural part of Nacho Business, what do we have here?
You will need, of course, chips. It's also known to add tomatoes or meat. Of course, you gotta add cheese. And we have a plate to put all the nacho ingredients in. And a pot to serve our cheese in.
Don't forget some sorts of heat. In this case, we're using our little flat top over here. Okay, so I have already pre-mixed the cheese. We got it a little bit warm up in there, as you can see. Now I will add some tomatoes. Correct. You gonna add that? Okay.
We're going to add half the can.
Yeah, half. Okay, I think it's good. Now, just gonna mix that in there. Here, you wanna do it? No?
Yes.
There is no oil. Okay. And then the meat. We prefer to use ground turkey.
Yep.
Put that in there now. Oh, the cheese. And in the meantime, I will be reading today's sidebar while you guys put the finishing touches for the nacho. And now it's time for today's sidebar. Today's sidebar is important. Although our episode title is Nacho Business, here's today's sidebar that we think you should know. Your child's IEP, which is an individualized education plan. It kind of tracks their social status with how they interact and how they learn. And you can talk to their teacher about this. Or when they start going to school, it helps them evolve around time.
Nacho.
Yeah, just like you. Just like you, buddy. Yeah, helps them evolve around time, helps them build their skills just as if they were like us. In our case, we need some kind of plan to help us learn along the years, and this is the IEP that helps them along the way too. And that's today's sidebar. Thank you. And now it's time to put the finishing touch on our nachos. Terrell, you want to do the honors?
Okay.
No, you ready?
Yes.
Oh, okay, yes, you do. Go around. Okay, that seems to be good.
And there you go.
Taste that time. Tiff, you go for the soft one. What's yours? Ooh, that's good. You want to try one? No? No? Oh, okay, we don't need to do that. That's good. And that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. Come back next week.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us at Instagram at Kidz 2008.
And for the louder version, that would be at Instagram